Hi, this is the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click here to the switcher. After that, we will see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and enter here the password. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and that's it. We could see now that our device successfully connected to this network. Also get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find the Wi-Fi icon here. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click to this icon. And to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while the Wi-Fi icon. And after that, by the same way, select one from the networks, enter the password and connect to them. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.